Hey, so on this episode of Dirt Road Traveler, we're heading out geocaching, and we found out about this beautiful old church in Rockingham, Ontario. So we're gonna drive out there, have a look around, and guess what? There's a geocache there too. So Sin, tell us what's going on.
We found the geocache, so I am going to grab it.
Oh, I see it. Okay, super cool. So we're in Rockingham, Ontario, which is actually considered to be a ghost town by many here in Renfrew County. Behind me is the Rockingham Church, and it was actually built originally in 1864. Now I say originally because in the 1990s, a group got together and redeveloped the church. It was basically a roof-down reconstruction. I've put a link in the description of this video for you to be able to watch that video about the reconstruction. It's pretty impressive. We're gonna go inside now and take a look at this beautiful church. Okay, so we're gonna try to get a view of this waterfall. It's unbelievably big and fast and beautiful. Absolutely beautiful day to be out and about in Renfrew County. You know, seeing the beautiful Rockingham waterfalls, checking out the Rockingham Church, and getting a little geocaching in was just really good for the soul on a day like today. So thank you for watching this video of Dirt Road Traveler. And once again, if you've enjoyed the video, please give us the thumbs up and consider subscribing. Subscribing tells YouTube that we're doing a good job and people enjoy watching our videos. And we're not going to send you spam or anything. You'll just get notifications. So anyways, thanks very much for watching this episode of Dirt Road Traveler. And we hope to see you again in the very near future.